Welcome. Today, second day Yoga Danda training. We are doing the substitute exercise. That means on the first day Yoga Danda training, we are did a additional exercise or the aura power improvement with the help of the chanting mantra A, U, E, O, A, M. Okay. Same like we are doing another exercise for the second day yoga dandan training substitute exercise for the purpose of the power creating to our soul power to soul uyir oli. This is called in Tamil muga oli. Muga means face power. A u e o a aim. This is called Mugavoli or face power. Now we are doing the power to soul exercise. Where is our mind? Total body, whole body. Where is our mind? Many persons are thinking that mind is here. We know this is only the heart. It is pumping the blood to whole body. Okay, circulate the blood to the whole body, we know. But somebody are saying my mind is here, my heart is here, but somebody are telling like the heart as their mind. They are confusing. So mind is in the inner feelings of brain. Okay, what is the kinds of mind? Mind has many more kinds. In Siddha's research, it has very extremely they learn and made the research about our mind. They told these 7 stages and more than many stages of our mind. But basically, as our normal life, we know the mind is in as conscious mind, subconscious mind, and dreams level or transcendental stage are, and then we now have to able to the penance transcendental stage. Penance transcendental stage. That means you are more and more deeply going inner to your mind. Nothing you are going to explain what happened to you, how what as it has happened to you. It is very deeply, no words. That only you have to realize, you have to experience only. You are not able to tell by any language, any words. Okay. So that has some many stages. We are talking about that the stages and then next classes. But now we have to doing, now we are conscious. When we are sleeping, that is called subconscious. We are dreaming something. That's called subconscious. But when we are deep sleep, sound sleep, somebody start telling what happened to me, I don't know on the sleep. When you are doing proper meditation, you have to feel that deep sleep or deep mindful experience. This is the penance stage, more than transcendental stage and more than penance stage we are trying. Okay. So the additional purpose for the creating the more benefit of the using the yoga danda. Where is our soul? Nobody is telling able to. This place is soul. The total body has soul, but in Tamil, the backbone, end of the starting of the backbone is called as Uir Mudichu, or the knot of the soul, or the starting point of the soul. See, we are now activate the soul power, just touching some places by the like that. However, in the aura power improvement, See, like that, we are keeping the all fingers like that, but the center fingers only touch. Same like that, we are trying the Siddha Divine Varma places in our body. Very simply, it will creating some many power. You will be explains. Just the very simple exercise. It is very giving more power for your soul, more power to your soul. See, keeping both hands like this place. This is the backbone starting place, backbone end. Keep this like that, touching like that. Say ah, and then 2 inches here. Ooh. See, 3 times here. E, reverse E, E, reverse E, O, A, M, again A, U, E, 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 O, A, M, again see here and this place oo, this place like that E, reverse E, and here E, and again reverse E, from here to here O, from here to here A, and M. Okay. Now this is the backbone starting place. This is the soul power. Uyir mudichu in Tamil. Soul knot. This is this is the end of the backbone. See, touch like that. No problems. You are touching by the center fingers only. Say சொல்லுங்க only the middle fingers are touching here. Middle fingers are touching here. Touching here. See, touch like that the middle finger with in the air, not the inner side or outside, just only the corner place. You can touch in the simply corner of the air. Okay. Same here, you can touch here, not the outside, not the inside, only the edge of the your ear. the correct edge of the warrior. You can try this exercise 3 times chanting the E reverse and okay. Now you can touch here. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. Any doubts, call me Yogadantam Pon Parthasarathi, Vadavalli, Chennai. This is the very powerful exercise to substitute the second day Yogadantam training program. It is called Soul Power Exercise, Power to Soul Exercise. Anyway, we only in Tamil. We are feeling very, very happy, and your body, mind, soul, you will be very, very, very extraordinary, powerful. You must learn. Just experience only, no words to explain what is that happen. Okay. Thank you. Any doubts, call me Yogadandam Pon Parthasarathi, Vadavanni, Chennai. Please subscribe our Siddha Secrets YouTube channel and forward to all your friends. Welcome.